GTO and the Monaro have the same car.
Engine too?
Engine's probably different.
Oh man. Hey, Fuller, get those lights. So it's nice. Hey, these are nice, fool. SoCal boosted. Wow. The carbon hood, yeah. He needs to fix his paint. That'll look nice. Oh, super. This is fire, bro. If I want these two, they're $100.
What the fuck is in these chilies, bro? They haven't spiced out.
Ah, fool. Really? Look at that. Like sauce.
No, wait, this is the Supra spoiler.
But it's nice. Well, I like it.
I like surprised that he got it.
I don't know about the wheels, but
Yes, that's
yeah, it looks pretty. Oh, he has a gang guard in there.
huh?
He has a gang guard in there. That's pretty sick.
Pretty good.
Think so. It's nice. Though. Yeah, nah, this is nice. I like it. It's fire.
Oh,
Fire.
Is that custom badge or? Yeah.
I don't know, but it looks fire. Look at the queue.
Oh yeah.
That looks so mean.
This is what kind of race I like.
With us.
And let's go. We give the light.
Yeah. Like all struggling. Yeah, I like the hood. He just painted black. Nah, sick ass. Don't tell me this one's the same. Oh, right there. Race? It says Ray, no?
This is what I like.
Hey, this is nice. Q60 Burns RS. Oh, the guy, he has a carbon.
Oh yeah, side fenders.
Yeah.
Man, fuck this chili, bro.
Hey, the hood
That
looks
shit's
nice.
nice.
We should put this hood like carbon
I
hood.
don't like that.
You don't like carbon hoods?
No, I don't like that. I like the 2 edge, like that, the one I have. Oh no. That's sick.
Looks like a
I'm
ducktail.
trying to get those.
Which ones? Oh, those? Yeah, those are nice. Nice little detail.
Yeah, I got spiced out. I got spiced out by the glizzy.
Yeah, the wheels are nice. Hey, the wheels are nice, dog. The wheels. Wheels.
Kind of like yours.
They're nice. Hey, right there, look. Oh, the scrape. Oh, there's about a scrape too. Oh, the cops. The cops. The cops are... The cops. I didn't even see them.
They're going for that guy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's far.
Let's go see, bro.
Oh, shit. Well, they're going for him because they saw him doing that shit. Oh. That the cops or the fucking truck? I don't even know anymore, fool. Did you get him? Hey, he got him. No, he's right there, look. Hey, what Watch out the Mustangs, fool. I'm not trying to die.
Burnout. Civic.
Watch out the Mustangs, fool. Oh, this is Is he in the rev or what?
Ciao, dog. Actually, want to tell these two of them, bro.
Sounds funny. Hey, you can do this one?
Nah, I don't think so.
He's like waiting.
Too much torque.
That's Mr. Breast.
Mr. Rev.
See, it's Mr. Breast.
What the fuck happened over there?
I'll show them Miata. What do they got now?
They got somewhere or are they just chilling there? I think they're just chilling there, bro.
No, they got something.
Oh, no, the Infinity. I see the Infinity right there. No, not the poor Infinity. No, fucking Michael's all in the back. Yeah,
Oh shit, the lights.
I know.
Yeah, it is the black dude.
You think they're gonna take him?
I don't think so.
Nah?
You're gonna give him one.
I
No,
didn't-
you're getting a ticket for.
Yeah, you're getting a ticket or you're getting impounded.
Oh, fuck. Doing
Like, he was doing like drifting and shit. Yeah, burnouts. And I guess they caught him.
An exit burnout,
Oh, at the exit?
Yeah.
Now he's getting property damage.
no, that is the property
Should we
damage.
just go inside the Carl's Jr. and record from the window?